into a human being. But he remained a figure of clay for 40 years. The angels went past him. They were seized with fear by what they saw, and Iblis felt fear most. He used to pass by the figure of Adam, buffeting it, which would make a sound like pottery. Allah told us, He created man, Adam, from sounding clay like the clay of pottery. Chapter 15, Quran. When the time drew near to breathe the spirit into Adam, as Allah decreed, He commanded the angels, "When I breathe my spirit into him, prostrate before him." Allah breathed His spirit into Adam, and when it reached his head, Adam sneezed. The angels said, "Say all praise belongs to Allah." Adam repeated, "All praise belongs to Allah." Allah said to him, "Your Lord has granted you mercy." When the spirit reached his eyes, Adam looked at the fruits of paradise. When it reached his abdomen, Adam felt an appetite for food. He jumped hurriedly before the spirit could reach his legs, so that he could eat from the fruits of paradise. Allah, therefore, said, "Man is created of haste." Chapter 21:37 Quran. And then, the angels prostrated themselves, all of them together. Except Iblis. He refused to be among the prostrators. Ch. 15:313 Quran.